Hello friends, welcome to my class. Today we are going to learn a lesson from Unit 1, 1.4, Be Smart. Friends, this lesson is about planning your career. Planning your career is not an easy task, but we can reduce our distress, we can reduce our tension by making proper choice of a career. If we do what we love to do, if we do the work what we love to do, the journey becomes smooth and leads to success. So we must choose the career according to our choice, according to our skill. Students, do you know the difference between hard work and smart work? Would you like to know it? Yeah, I shall tell it to you through this video. Today we are going to learn one of the most important and motivational lesson, that is be smart. And when we learn this lesson, you will understand the answer of the question, what is the difference between hard work and smart work. Let's come to the lesson. We will see the line by line meaning of this lesson. Champions aren't made in gyms. Champions, friends, champions. Champions aren't made in gyms. Champions are made from something they have deep inside them, a desire, a dream, a vision. Champions aren't made in gym, meaning of the line. Champion means winners, victors. Winners are not made in gym. It means gym is not a place where winners are made. Then how are the champions made? Champions are made from something they have deep inside them. They have some qualities such as desire, dream and vision. It means, meaning of the line is that the writer says, if you want to become a champion, you must have some qualities within yourself. That qualities are desire, dream and vision. If you have these qualities in yourself, then you can become a champion. It means the champions needs desire, dream and vision to become a successful person. They have to have the skill and will. Moreover, they must have two more qualities, that are the skill and the will. These two qualities are also needful to become a champion. If you want to become a champion, you must have the skill and the will within yourself. Now you will understand that what qualities are needful to become a person, a champion or a winner. If you want to become a champion, you must have three qualities deep within yourself, that are desire to become a champion, dream to become a champion and vision. You must need that type of vision in yourself, then only you can become a champion. Gyms are not the places to become a champion. We cannot become a champion ready-made by using ready-made sources. If we have such qualities within ourselves, we can become a champion. And the skill and will are also the important qualities that are needful to become a champion. But the will, our willpower must be stronger than the skill. This sentence is very important. The will must be stronger than the skill. Successful professionals thrive in the same manner. We all have natural talent. If we use that talent to set our goal in life, we can easily get success in life. Meaning of the lines are: successful professionals thrive in the same manner. Successful people have all these qualities within them. Successful people have all the above qualities within them, so they become successful in their life. You know, friends, we all have natural talents within ourselves. We all have natural talents means we all have some good qualities within us, as well as we all have God-given talents in us. If we use that talent, if we use that natural talent to set our goal in life, then success can be easily possible. It means, the writer says, with the help of our natural talent, we can become a successful person in life. Our goal in life can be easily achieved if we use our natural talent. It means, students, our natural talent is very important in setting our goal and getting success in our life. So we must know what is the natural talent in myself. You must know what is the natural talent within you. Try to find out your natural talent, and then you have to set the goal with the help of that natural talent, and then we can achieve the success in our life. We shall not achieve our goals if we do not take any action to achieve them. The writer says, if we don't take any action to achieve our goal, if we stay neutral, inactive, doing nothing, if we don't take any action to achieve our goal, then we shall not achieve it. Then what should we do to achieve our goal? First, we must take action. Action is very important in achieving goal. Next, setting goals has two valuable assets: a sense of originality and a stepping stone to illuminate the path. Very important thing, setting goal. In the above paragraph, we have seen that champions are not made in gym. Gym is not a place where champions are made. So, how can a person become a champion? A person can become a champion if he has desire, dream and vision, as well as it is necessary to have the skill and will within yourself, and then we can become a successful person, then we can become a champion. Then how are the successful persons become successful? Successful persons become successful because they have all these qualities. They have all these qualities. So, everyone has a natural talent. With the help of that natural talent, with the help of that good qualities in us, we can set our goal in life and we can get success easily. Taking action is very important thing in achieving our goal. If we do not take action, then we cannot get our goal, we cannot reach our goal. Now, we have to take action first. What action we have to take at this stage? At this stage, we have to set our goal. Then how to set our goal? Let's see. Setting goal has two valuable assets. If you want to set your goal, there are two valuable assets. Valuable asset, two important things, two necessary things to set our goal. Number one, a sense of originality, and number two, stepping stone to illuminate the path. Stepping stone means experience or an event. Experience to illuminate our path. Illuminate means to enlighten the path. We must have sense of originality and we must have stepping stone or experience to illuminate our path. With the help of these two things, we can set our goal. Two important things in setting goal. Two valuable assets in setting goal. Two valuable assets in setting goal. Number one, sense of originality. And number two, stepping stone to illuminate one's path. So these are the two valuable things, two valuable assets in setting goals. While you are going to set your goal, you must think about the two assets, that is sense of originality and stepping stone to illuminate one's path. Goals put one at the helm of life. Meaning, goals put one at the helm of life means in charge of life. If we are in charge of life, we must be ourselves in charge of our life. And when will we become a charge of our life, in charge of our life? Only when we set a goal in front of our eyes. If we are in charge of life, our life will be better in future. The future situation of our life will be better if we are in charge of our life. So goals put us in charge of our life. We need to set a goal in front of our eyes to become in charge of our life. What will happen when we put a goal, when we set a goal in front of us? Then we will pursue them, acknowledge a better future situation. That will help. Our goal will help us to pursue them, acknowledges a better future situation. They help to steer a course of life rather than simply drifting along and letting things happen. You know, our goals help. Our goals, if we set our goal, if you set our target, if you set your aim of the life, that will help to steer a course of life. To steer means to channelize the course of life. We can get the right channel of life, and then rather than simply drifting along and letting things happen. If we do not set our goal, we will lead the simple life, doing nothing. We will drift along with the life as per the situation. So, setting goal help us to steer the course of life rather than simply drifting along and letting things happen. So first step is to set our goal. We have seen this second paragraph that we must set our goal. And while setting goal, there are two valuable things, there are two valuable assets that are sense of originality and stepping stone to eliminate path. Setting goal may appear easy, but for some it is quite challenging. Meaning of the lines are, setting goal may appear very simple, very easy. It seems to be easy, but it is quite challenging, but it is quite difficult for some people. It is not an easy task. Setting goal is not an easy task at all. It is a difficult task. Then, why is it difficult for some people to set their goal? We will see in the further lines. Fear of failure may be avoided in the absence of any goals. Why do some people find setting goal challenging? Why do some people find setting goal challenging? Because they have the fear of failure. त्यांना अपयशाची भीती असते. They have the fear of failure about achieving their goals, so they find it difficult. In the margin questions, there is a question: why do some people find setting goals a challenge? Some people find setting goals a challenge because they have a fear of failure for achieving their goals. After all, one has to decide what one wants to achieve in the end. Everyone has to decide what we want to achieve in the end of life. To accomplish goals, experts recommend 5 steps approach. If we want to complete our goal, we have 5 steps recommended by experts. If you want to achieve your goals, then follow these 5 steps. Then what are the 5 steps in achieving goal? Our goal? Being smart. Being smart is necessary to achieve our goal. We must be smart. Our work must be smart work. Today, in today's world of competition, a person need to be more and more smart. A person needs to be a smart worker rather than a hard worker. Hard worker is an old concept. That is outdated concept. But smart work along with the hard work is needed. So what is smart? Being smart means S stands for specific, M stands for measurable, A stands for achievable, R stands for realistic, and T stands for time bound. Students, if you want to set your goal, your goal must be smart goal. And what is mean by smart goal? S stands for specific. It means our goal, choose the goal that is specific. Then M stands for measurable. Your goal must be measurable. A stands for achievable. Your goal must be achievable. R stands for realistic. Your goal must be realistic. And T stands for time bound. Your goal must be time bound. So these are the 5 steps. If you follow these 5 steps, then you can get success in your life. While setting goal, think about these 5 steps. We will go to these 5 steps in our next period. So Thank you.